Okay guys, I got a quick video here on how you can make your Milwaukee inflators even better. And that is to get one of these little adapters here. It just screws right on. I'll screw it off here for you. Just has this end right here that threads right into the inflators hose. And then the other end is like a quick release that you can put right onto your tire's nozzle real quick, and then when you're done, take it off. So you don't have to worry about all the screwing this on there, and you know when you're screwing it on, it lets some air out, and when you're screwing it off, it lets some air out also. So you can just clip it on there real quick. You can get these on Amazon. I don't remember how much they were. Like, I think they were like 12 bucks or something. So yeah, that's a good thing with that. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Have a good day.